Okay, I have quite the treat for you guys. This is a USB plug and play stack light, LED stack light. As you can see, it's got 3 lights here, red, yellow, green. It also has a built-in buzzer. And I have programmed it for all the common machine states. So my machine is out of reset, it's not homed, so it's red. I'm gonna press the E-stop button. Well, take it out of reset, I guess. And now I'm going to home the machine. You hear that? That's the cabinet turning on, and it turns yellow, and then Z, Y, X. It's homed, and now it's green. I have a quick script here that shows some of the different colors. So first thing we're going to do is move to X1. We're at X0 now, so move to X1, and there's going to be an M1 stop. When a program is running, green flashes. When we're at an M1 stop, green and yellow flash. We're going to go now to X2 and do a tool change. And now this is an M6 tool change. They're both flashing. Let's do another tool change. And that's my spindle or the VFD firing up. And during any move, any operation, green will flash, whether it's just the spindle or axis or whatever. I press spacebar for a feed hold, flashing yellow. I press escape to cancel the program, goes back to solid green. If I jog the machine, this is just me jogging with the shuttle, flashes. If I do an MDI command, this is me typing G1, F10, X5, enter. Spacebar for feed hold, flashing yellow. Cycle start. And stop. If we E-stop it now, it goes red. Take it out of E-stop, rehome. Solid yellow for rehoming is basically what that means, and then it goes to green. Now, this is my F10 X5 again. We're moving. Oh no, E-stop. And I have a silence alarm button on the screen. So what that does is, if you are in the middle of an operation and then E-stop, you get the buzzer. If you press E-stop like at the end of the night when you're ready to go in for the night and you're just safely shutting down the machine, you'll get flashing red but no buzzer. But if you're in the middle of an operation and rush to the E-stop button, it will alert you with the buzzer. These are all adjustable. As always, the scripts that I've written, everything's adjustable. What the lights do, when the buzzers flash, is all adjustable. It is just one cable, one USB cable, and it doesn't matter if you unplug it or plug it back in. PathPilot doesn't care. That was the startup routine. And it started beeping because the last state was the E-stop. It won't beep normally. We'll do that again. I'll show you. Okay, so we're ready. Now I'm gonna unplug it again. That's me unplugging it. Plugging it back in. And then you have to move it for it to reassert. sometimes. It just depends. The way the reconnection works is it watches for anything that will trip the light. So if it's just sitting there, depending on what you're sitting at, it won't reassert. But as you can see, it went through the startup sequence. It started to say as soon as I started moving the machine. That's about it. They're available on my site. That's all I have for now.